figured with Sammy Kershaw rocking, I'd do an update on the umbrella stand here. So I put these screws in here. Probably not an issue, but it's to keep it from twisting and swaying when it's down in the concrete. I'm gonna put in a 60-pound bag of concrete in there and then build. I got another box like this that's gonna be about this high, and then I'm using the dad's Craig jig to put the support pieces on, and then cedar planks around it, and then a porcelain tile 24-inch cap on the top. All right, I got my helper bee here, Piper. She's gonna hold the PVC pipe there in the middle and start dumping the concrete in, and I got these little furring strips to hold the pipe in once the concrete's done. All right, there it is. Swung those bad boys in place, and it's pretty secure and level, most importantly. All right, got my 4 vertical pieces here and borrowed my dad's Craig jig. You'll see how easy this is and secured. All right, I'll try to film it, show you how easy it is using this. One. 2. Pop it out, and there you go. Got my 4 holes on this one. 3 more to go. These go in so easy, don't even need to clamp it. Just line it up, push down on the board a little bit. All right, those bad boys together, and she is a little stronger than she probably needs to be. I mean, that is... All right, I got this handy dandy diamond hole saw bit and a little reservoir here to hold the water. I'm gonna fill it about halfway with water and just cut a hole in the middle of this bad boy. Coming right along. All right, it's impossible to film doing this as a one-man show, but here's what we got cooking here. All right, well, we're through. What movie is that from? We're through. All right, got all the slats ripped down to just under 4 inches wide. Really handy having that new table saw. Charlotte painted these bad boys. Next step is to cut them to length and put them on the box. All right, it's a beautiful Saturday morning, Memorial Day weekend, 25. All the slats are painted, ready to go. Now it's just... All right, this bad boy's about done. Just need to fill in the brad nail holes with this plastic wood indoor, outdoor, all-purpose wood filler. And then... All right, got my helper bees filling in these brad nail holes. Once this is done, one more coat of paint, and we is done. What do you think, kids? Final touches. How you feeling, honey?
I did not touch anything.
All right, in case they want to build another one, I got the measurements. It's true with anything. First one's more difficult, the prototype. These pieces are 19 5/8. These are 12 and a half. 12 and a half. And then that's a 60-pound bag of concrete, 1.5-inch PVC. These are just under 4 inches, like 3 7/8. And then the width, you just gotta measure as you go. Obviously, this side is longer than this side for the overhang. Very happy with the end result. This bad boy has withstood some nasty 20, 30 mile an hour winds without budging. Obviously, we take the umbrella down when not in use or storming. It's ideal for putting your drinks, cell phone, goggles, whatever else on here. Great addition for this lovely summer Ohio 93-degree temperatures.